Have you ever stopped to think about how everything began? I mean everything. The stars, the planets, and yes, even you. Imagine a time when the universe didn't exist. Crazy, right? Well, grab your spacesuit because we're about to dive into the mind-blowing story of the Big Bang, the ultimate cosmic origin story. Our journey kicks off in the 1920s. Back then, most scientists believed the universe was just hanging out, nice and stable. But then, along came Edwin Hubble, the guy who shattered that idea. He looked through his telescope and discovered something astonishing. The universe is expanding. Can you imagine the excitement? Suddenly, everything changed. Now let's fast forward to that incredible moment, the Big Bang itself. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. It's hard to wrap our minds around, but in that singularity was the potential for everything. Then, in a blink of an eye, the singularity expanded. This wasn't just a simple explosion, it was an expansion of space itself. Picture it like blowing up a balloon. In the first few moments, the universe underwent a period called inflation, where it expanded exponentially faster than the speed of light. Can you imagine that? The entire universe was once squished into something incredibly tiny, and then it bloomed into the vast cosmos we see today. As the universe expanded, it was also cooling down, much like a hot pot of soup left out to cool. Initially, the universe was a chaotic soup of energy and elementary particles. In those first moments, protons, neutrons, and electrons began to form, dancing around in a primordial ballet. This was the genesis of matter. Over the next few minutes, as temperatures dropped, these particles came together to form the first atomic nuclei in a process known as nucleosynthesis. Can you imagine witnessing this cosmic creation? The first hydrogen and helium atoms were born, setting the stage for everything that would follow: the stars, the planets, and ultimately, us. But how do we know this story is true? Enter cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB. Think of it as the universe's faint echo from that explosive moment. Discovered in 1965, this afterglow of the Big Bang gives us a peek into the universe's infancy. It's like finding a treasure map that leads us back to the very beginning. Now let's dive into one of the most tantalizing questions. What came before the Big Bang? This is where things get really speculative. Some scientists theorize that there might have been another universe that existed before ours. Others suggest we could be part of a multiverse, where countless Big Bangs could have occurred, each giving rise to its own universe. Imagine a cosmic landscape filled with infinite possibilities. While we don't have definitive answers yet, exploring these ideas pushes the boundaries of our understanding and fuels the fires of curiosity. Now that we've explored the past, let's gaze into the future. What will happen to the universe as it continues to expand? Current evidence suggests that the universe is likely to keep stretching indefinitely, leading to a scenario known as heat death. Picture a vast, empty space where galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, and eventually, everything cools down to a uniform temperature. It's a rather lonely fate for the universe, isn't it? But this scenario is billions of years away. For now, we are living in a dynamic, ever-evolving cosmos filled with galaxies, stars, and life itself. The Big Bang was the beginning of everything: space, time, and matter. While we've unraveled a lot, there's still so much mystery left in our universe, and that's what makes it all so exciting. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, hit that like button and subscribe to Historic Journey. What cosmic questions keep you up at night? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep exploring this amazing universe together.